Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
You set the guidelines. You tell your child, this is what you can do, this you cannot do. But when you say you cannot do, must explain and justify why he or she cannot do. Authoritarian, मैंने बोल दिया, तुमको सुनना पड़ेगा. My way or the highway, get lost from my house. That doesn't work. The third is pessimistic. Whatever the child is asking for, please take it. I'm not going to object to anything. And the last one is neglecting. You neglect your child. You don't spend time with your children. A complete neglect in terms of how to raise your children. So these are the most of the time when Indian couples wants to have a baby. It is important for them to understand that which style they are into. And that style we can assess today. It is possible. And we can tell them, train them that you need to change your style so that you can have a wonderful son or a daughter. It is mostly whenever you have a morning tea, it is the woman generally who will make that. Forget about that. We have a research which says 87% mothers attend parent-teacher meetings. I don't know, 13% they just go out of curiosity, or they just want to oblige their wives, or trying to tell to the society that I'm also concerned. This is the data which we have. 87% mothers attend PTMs. And this classic thing happens when a mother goes to a class teacher and asks, how's my son or a daughter is doing? Last time in English or maths, he or she scored 85, this time 83. We are very much concerned. What could be the reason? But teacher is very much interested to let you know that your child is indulging in mischievous behavior. He or she is into bullying, stealing, or something else. The first response of the parents is, मैंने पहले तो ऐसा कभी नहीं सुना. And the child is listening that my mother is protecting me. Then they give all kind of evidences and they say it's very difficult. And then another thing will come, justification. Oh, isko jaundice ho gaya tha, his grandfather died, that may be the reason. Child is listening. They are not interested to know much about the behavior, but about the grades. And generally, mothers take their child back home. When they are going back home, now generally mother says, let your father come back from office. I will tell him that what is your complaint in the school. Mother says, आपके लाडले का आज report card आया है. Suddenly this gentleman realizes, I am a head of the family. There is something wrong going on. Then inconsistent behavior starts. Then you say that, I will not let you do that. I have provided you air condition. I have given you the cycle, laptop, you name anything. And how dare you are not performing? And the child is confused, thinking, when the morning will happen, my father will go to office. Please, for God's sake, concentrate more onto the behavior of your children rather than on grades and percentages. And the worst thing is, when your child comes back, the first question. Now, when I'm talking about With majority of the parents it happens. So, exceptions could be there, 3, 4, 5%. Now the first question mother asks, how was your exam? Good, bad, whatever. The second question, तुम्हारे दोस्त का कैसे हुआ? And in case तुम्हारे दोस्त का better हुआ, then the same story starts. What we have provided you, you have got every facility, but what we can do, you are not providing. Please, if you will concentrate onto the behavior of your child, believe me, they all can be toppers. The first and the most important thing is behavior.